Have you ever considered the benefits of not being in direct control of your assets? Odd question, but think about this. Today, in the complex world of asset protection, understanding the dynamics between direct and indirect control is crucial for safeguarding wealth and ensuring its seamless transition across generations. The distinction between these two forms of control can significantly influence how assets are protected, managed, and passed down, which offers a strategic advantage to those who master it. Let's contrast the differences between direct control and indirect control. Direct control is the most straightforward form of influence, where an individual or entity has the explicit authority to manage and control their assets. This form of control is characterized by the immediate power to make decisions, often resulting in quick and efficient management. As an example of direct control, you might engage a real estate broker to sell a property you own, and you would be the signatory on the transaction documents. Direct control, however, comes with its set of vulnerabilities, especially when it concerns asset protection and long-term planning. Indirect control, on the other hand, operates on a more nuanced level. It involves influencing decisions and managing assets through intermediaries or structural arrangements, without having direct authority. As an example of indirect control, you might instruct the trustee of your trust to sell a property. Your trustee would then engage a real estate broker to accomplish your objective, and your trustee would be the signatory on the transaction documents. The effectiveness of indirect control lies in its subtlety and the depth of influence it can exert without overt authority. This form of control is not unique to individuals, but is a strategy long employed by dynasties such as the Rockefellers, Vanderbilts, and Carnegies to maintain influence over their vast enterprises and wealth across generations. By now, you're likely asking yourself, how can I put this to use from an asset protection perspective? The concept of indirect control is particularly relevant when it comes to asset protection. By structuring assets in a manner that allows for influence without direct control or ownership, individuals can safeguard their wealth from legal vulnerabilities, ensuring that their legacy is preserved according to their wishes. This approach requires careful planning and a deep understanding of legal and financial structures to effectively implement. Once implemented, however, this can be a mighty sword to swing in your favor. For instance, your trustee can disregard orders by courts that do not have jurisdiction over your trustee. Thus, a court order that demands a trustee deliver the proceeds from the sale of a real property to your creditor will be of little value to the creditor. To recap, the distinction between direct and indirect control is more than a legal or financial technicality. It's a strategic tool that, when used wisely, can offer significant advantages in asset protection. By exploring this option and seeking guidance from legal and financial professionals, you can better secure your assets and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing they are out of reach of potential creditors. If protecting your assets is important to you, consult with an asset protection attorney to speak about the many aspects of your investments as well as your trust and entity structure options. Sollertis is a law firm in Rancho Santa Fe, California, with attorneys licensed in California, Florida, Michigan, New York, and Texas, and a nationwide network of attorneys helping people across all states. Sollertis primarily helps real estate investors and business owners grow and protect their wealth. Our legal team combines superior expertise and years of experience to help our clients plan, implement, and maintain protection. We can guide you through the intricacies of crafting a master asset protection plan and help you make an informed decision regarding the best approach to protect and preserve your assets for yourself and your future generations. There are many asset protection tools available to protect your assets. Remember, asset protection is like insurance. It doesn't work unless you have it in place before the claim. So, don't wait until it is too late to do this. You have been working very hard for a long time to build your wealth. Pull your winnings off the table by protecting them now. Take the first step today and reach out to the experts in asset protection at Sollertis. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more about how you can best protect your assets.